you. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So, eto naman yung room natin. Tingnan niya agad. This is our bed. Yeah. Tingnan niya agad yung view. Ah. So, pool area naman yung ating view. Yeah. So, eto yung bagong room natin for 2 days. So, yan yung pintuan. Pagpasok, yan yung makikita nyo. Diyan yung fridge. Kailangan ng key. So, pabubuksan natin yan. Then, dito sa kabila, eto yung toilet. And, mas small to. Mas maliit. Kasi, walang bed yung bata. So, hindi ko pa alam kung anong hindi ko pa alam, mamaya tanongin natin si John. So, meron tayong dining table.
This is where you work.
Yes. Sala. Well, we'll figure out later. Sala. Then, malaking TV. Ang view dito is mountain. Mountains. Ang lakas ng hangin dito. So, may sala din sila. Ayan. Ang lakas ng hangin. So, doon, etong view. Mas maganda yung view natin. Para kay Jan yun, siguro. Hindi, Hoy, Sak, where you going? Hey! Kasi golf course yung view natin for 2 days, diba? Tapos ngayon, eto na, mountains and pool. Ayan yung ating veranda. So, yun yung room namin. Okay, come here please, Holly. And, pasok tayo sa room namin. Ito yung bed. So, ito yung bed namin. And, another TV. I know. Ayan. May maganda yung working area ko. Tapos, dito yung luggage ilalagay. Then, wala silang full-length mirror. Katulad dun sa isang, katulad dun sa isang room. Pero meron silang ganito. So, yung cabinet doon walang mirror. Wood lang. Dito, lahat mirror. So, yan. Then, ito yung bath and shower na. Shower lang pala. Toilet and shower. So, yan yung room namin dito. So, mas maliit siya compare kanina. Sad siya kasi wala siyang bed. You sleep on the couch.
And this bed's big, so rather
Oh, this is the same
size.
The same size
Oh, but it's so short.
in the other room, ha?
Imagine those.
Tapos yung naman iba naman dito yung kanilang art. Ayan. Kasi before parang snake bone. Tapos ngayon ito bowl and spoon. Ayan, mga Igorot daw ang may gawa talaga niyan. Native, as in native. Okay. Time check, 3. What time is it, Baba? 3:39. Si John, tsaka si Kuya wala pa nag-golf.
And guys.
And we are transferring another room. Ano siya?
Is it all same room?
No, bigger. Kasi nga, isa lang yung namin, di ba, bed. Yung mga bata, wala. So, we're gonna transfer again, guys. So, mamaya, may darating na tutulong ulit sa atin maglipat. Buti na lang, hindi pa namin inayos yung mga gamit. Malinis pa din. Yung mga gamit nandiyan pa din, oh. Si Sak gusto niya dito kasi may Disney. Is it Disney? Ano? May Disney Plus. So, but we are moving. Ang ganda dito, guys. Pwede lang to sa, mag-asawa. Without kids.
Ready?
Ang ganda kasi malaki. Oh, si Holly nagsasapatos. And sinindan ako ng mga videos ni Ate Gina. Siguro si Kuya Jay nagsisend kay Ate Gina. Tapos pinapasa rin sa akin ni Ate Gina. And, yeah, we're changing room.
No, it's okay. No, that's safe. That's okay. Shot. Nice. Strong.
That's fine.
Baby, it's true. Baby, it's true. I don't want anything else but true.
I think nandito na. Hi! I got everything. So kami na lang maglilipat kasi inayos na ni Kuya Jay. Huh?
You get the other key, we'll open the door.
That's open.
It's
It's
open?
open?
Oh, it's open. Oh, good, it's open.
Thank you.
Okay. Well, you can put the key here so we have
You
electricity.
have light.
Did you
Okay.
get more charger?
Yeah, I get everything.
Your camera's down.
This is
the exact same.
Yeah, but different
see,
room.
different room.
So, ayan, may bed na yung mga bata. Ayan siya, guys. Thank you, Kuya Jay. Si Kuya Jay kasi yung ano dito, member. So, guest niya kami dito. So, pina-upgrade niya yung aming bed. Exact same, but different view lang. Tapos, iba na yung couch. Pareho lang yung laki, ayan. Pareho lang naman. Yung couch na iba na. Si Kuya raw naglaro ng very, very good. So, yan yung sala natin. So, may sala ulit tayo. Kanina may sala naman. May sala tayo tsaka room namin. Wala lang to.
After there, we're going out for tea.
Tapos, eto yung living room. Maliligo lang yung dalawa. Then,
Do all the luggage laid up.
eto yung room namin. Yung view natin is dito. Eto yung view. At least, magiging masaya si John. Magiging masaya si John kasi golf course ulit yung view natin. And ayan yung kung saan kami nagbe-breakfast. Before kitang-kita natin, di ba? Dito kami sa medyo, ditong side na to. Kasi before, nasa middle tayo. Thank you, Kuya Jay and Ate Gina. Kaligo na sila. And si Holly nagpaayos ng buhok. Zach, get your towel, please. Here. Can you give that to Zachary? Holly? Please, thank you. Holly. Diyan daw yung ballroom, sabi ni Kuya Jay. Naggamit kami ng elevator papunta dito sa parking.
Today.
So, ito yung service ni Kuya Jay. I'm gonna go in the middle. So, dito kami sa SM. Tapos mamaya, pipick upin kami ni Kuya Jay. Magdi-dinner kami mamaya. Umilang yun si Kuya Jay. Dito kami sa pinakataas na floor. Hindi ko alam kung third floor na to. Basta ito na yung last floor. Nakita namin to gabi. Ngayon, tingnan natin siya sa umaga. Against the light, madilim.
Say that, Dad?
That's the one we went.
Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right.
Dito lang kami nagtatambay. And ang view namin ang ganda. Against the light nga lang, pero yan yung view namin. Ang ganda ng view namin. Mountains and houses. Ka-date ko po. I'm your girlfriend. Dala siya sa playground. Dito tayo sa Tony and Jackie. Okay. Check ko gusto magpagupit ng boys. Si Kuya, si Sak lang. Tingin siya ng picture.
Stuck here in the middle. You tell me that it's simple, but I could paint 1,000 different pictures of what is wrong. But if we turn the clocks back a couple dials, we should throw them out, because time ain't ours, oh, but you fill me up, and I can feel it now.
This is your first time doing this, right?
She said life is just a symbol for the pain that you can get through, like a camel through the needle.
Did you tell ate what you gonna have? Ha? Okay. Ayaw niya yung may... Massage. It's nice to have a haircut here in the Philippines. Because you have shampoo and conditioner and then massage after. Yan, tapos na siya. Gwapo ni Zach. Si Kuya naman ang magpapagwapo. Ah, 4, 3, 2, 1.
4, 3, 2.
Ah, 4, 3, 2. Yeah. Wake up, yeah. Nice.
The dryer. If you're going to use some product, you need to loud first. Para smooth sa kasi.
Yeah. Yeah, you have to do that. So it will spread.
Lagay mo na sa harap.
Yeah, put it at the front first.
Front first.
Crossing your finger.
Then you want to take this way.
Yeah.
Afterwards, you twist it and do your fingers.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Ayan siya. Pogi. What you gonna say to ate? What? We're gonna wait, we're gonna clean you. Alis na siya. Hiyang-hiya na siya. Wow! Come on, Nak! Sleepy na siya. Pasok sila dito sa Oakley. Tingin kung merong golf shirt para kay Kuya. Wala. It's alright, yeah. That's nice. Yeah, that's okay.
Big yummy.
Pack it in.
You gotta tuck it in. Pasok sila dito sa Under Armour or Underama. Tingin kung meron si Kuya dito. Pasok tayo ng SM store. Kuha natin si Holly ng jumper kasi nilalamig siya. Meron po siyang napili, windbreaker. Come on here, Holly. Holly, here. Tingin tayo dito sa Penguin kung meron para kay Kuya. Wala, adults lang daw meron sila. Pasok ako dito sa Cinnabon. Ay, na-miss ko tong bongga. Ayaw ko yung may nuts.
Ayan, ma'am. Yan. Diyan po.
3 flavors din to?
2 flavors lang.
Ah, okay. Kasi yung isa is nuts na, no? Okay, kunin ko to. Kinuha ko yung mix, yung 2 flavor nito. Thank you. Ay, may mini, pero 3 flavor siya. Thank you. Dito tayo sa Macau, Imperialty. Ang haba ng pila dito, oh. Magtitake sila atang taxi or grab. Hinintay ko lang sila dyan dito sa may Pizza Hut kasi sabi ko dito kayo magkikita. Dito na kami, andito na sila. Ayan, nakahanap siya ng damit para sa Gopia bukas. Hinintay na lang namin sila Ate Jen at Kuya Jay. Dito tayo kakain sa Grumpy Joe. Kaibigan ni Kuya Jay ang may-ari. So nagpa-reserve na siya. Nag-add lang na isa pang check kasi mahaba. Madami pala kami. Okay.
We're just...
Kami, isang dosina. Tawa kami ng tao.
Hindi na ubusig.
Dito.
Hindi.
Pang sinigang.
Ah, hindi nyo ginawang ano.
Yung pa naman.
Dyan.
Yung mga bagets.
Pasta, what? Seafood pasta? Lasagna.
Order another one.
Yeah, we can order. How's the taste?
Just a little bit daw. Good, yeah?
You can mix it. Let's mix it first.
Oy, sikat daw to si Grumpy Joe. Sikat daw to dito sa Baguio. Visit kayo, guys. Maganda ang lugar din nila. Meron pa dun, oh.
Okay, now you can eat.
Okay, chicken. Ano to?
Buffalo wings, tita. Tapos ito fried chicken.
Okay. Laki ng mga manok.
Opo, tita.
Buffalo.
And then ito yung ground chicken.
Sige.
Ito yung Grumpy chicken.
It's a little
Goes up.
spicy.
The what?
Uy, mag-picture naman tayo. Ay! But the pool, did you see the pool?
Yes. Ah, yung... Si Saka binigay sa akin eh. Down first. Video first. 2 flavor.
2 flavors, tita.
Cheese and pepperoni.
Fried cheese and pepperoni.
Yes. Ito yung 12 inches. Ginutom ko talaga para kumain. Candy. Kasi kakain, mawawala na silang tomorrow. Kaya yun yan.
Ay, sige.
Yeah.
It's alright
Yung
now.
tagal may knife.
Ano to? Aloha?
Aloha 5 cheese tila, tapos Grumpy Joe.
Grumpy Joe. Okay, Grumpy Joe, Aloha, and 5 cheese. So 3 flavors. Olives. That's the one you like. Olives. Tara natin, ate. Tapos na kami dito. Ayan, nagdi-dessert na sila. Ice cream. Gelato. Is it good?
The kaning totong is nice.
The rice.
What did you order? The rice? No, that's what did you order?
Ayaw nila ng kaning totong.
It has that too.
Ah,
They ordered.
Oh, that's nice. Dinara. Sayang, di ko nakita.
yeah.
What? No thanks?
Ma'am, dark chocolate will get.
Sige.
Oh, yeah, this one, tita.
Yeah.
Is it good?
Then okay lang, like.
How about you, Jill?
Ikaw palang nila. Jay, gusto mo share
Oh,
tayo?
Baka na sa'yo yun. Hindi, scoops lang yun.
Ang dami.
Ang liit lang ng scoop.
Ako na lang ate dyan.
Oh, sige.
Chocolate.
Asan yung kaning? Kaning tutong sa akin, please. Hi, ate. Bye, girls. See you tomorrow. Mag-arcade. Bye. Thank you. Bye. Okay. First time nating matutulog dito sa bagong room natin. Mas malapit siya sa elevator. Ayan lang. O, pagliko mo, dito na. Before doon, iikot pa kami. Okay. Si Kuya, sinetap niya na yung susutin niya bukas. Wow naman, Kuya. Look at you. This is for tomorrow. Guys, na 9:30, 9:39 na. Sobrang busog kaming lahat. Thank you, Ate Gina and Kuya Jay. Sobrang sarap doon sa Grumpy Joe. So, i-haul ko lang to. Binigyan tayo, hindi ito ang laman niya, guys. Binigyan ako ni, sino ba yun? Si Christian Art, na nag-work dito sa, sa country club. Dito sa Baguio Country Club. Ano siya, nag-OJT siya, tapos na yung 300 hours ata. So, kanina, last day niya kanina. So, binigyan niya ako, kahapon niya kami nakita, tapos today yung last day ng work niya. Sabi niya may ibibigay daw siya sa akin. So, binigyan niya si Ate Holly ng, etong bigay niya kay Ate Holly, ang cute naman. Ayan, City of Pines, Baguio, Philippines. Thank you, Christian Art. And ito naman para kay Kuya Sak. May mga pangalan talaga. Ayan, souvenir nila sa Baguio. Ayan, kay Kuya Sak. Pareho lang, City of Pines, Baguio.
Mom, that's what what's it called, tastes like. It smells like this.
Yeah. And this is for Kuya TJ.
Why, Danny?
Ay, ang ganda. Ayan, ang ganda.
What is it?
City of Baguio, Philippines.
And this one is Zachary.
No, yours is over there.
Oh, I'm sick.
Yours is blue. This is for Kuya John. Saan nakasya kay Johnny Boy? Malaki si Johnny Boy eh. Ay, ayan. For Kuya John. Lahat City of Pines of Baguio.
I'm seeing.
Then, syempre meron din ako. Tapos niya wala, no? Eto for Ate Chona.
Yeah.
Ayan. So, para-para kami. Iba-ibang kulay lang. Ang ganda. Makapal yung tela niya. In fairness, ang ganda.
One's better than
So,
this.
hoy, pareho kayo ha. Kumpara na naman siya. Ayan, nice ang tela niya.
Oh,
Ay,
stink though.
no, it's brand new.
Yeah, is that?
Mahilig siya umamoy. Yung alam mo yun yung fabric na. Wala nga. Okay nga ang amoy. Alam mo yun naman yung sista. Ay, may letter. Oh, thank you. Oh, useful. Thank you. Basahin ko ito mamaya. Ang ganda ng uy, alam mo, pihira na makatanggap ng handwritten. Diba? Text-text na lang. Ang ganda, oh. Thank you. I will keep this. Tapos, meron siya. May pinakita yung mga bata sa akin, na. Ayan. Meron siyang souvenir din dito. So, ang cute. Ito sa sa fridge. Lalagay ko to sa fridge. Makikita mo to sa vlog. Ayan. Ang cute. I love Baguio. Wala pa kami nabiling mga souvenirs. So, at least ito meron na tayo. Thank you. Thank you so much, Christian Art. Oh, Baguio. Oh. Mga keychain niya. Ang cute. Oh, thank you so much. Oops. Pero ito sa bag ni Holly. Kasi kikay na kikay si Holly ngayon. Gustong-gusto niya mga palawit. Ayan. Thank you so much, Christian. Ayan. Oops. So, yun na yung vlog natin, guys, for today. Tomorrow, may ganap na naman tayo. So, I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Good night, guys. Okay. Thank you.
Because I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you.